So NIL Tech sent me this and I am so excited. It is an electronic pencil sharpener and it says it's the Dark Pro. I have 4 kids, so we are going through pencils like nobody's business when we are doing after school homework and all that stuff. And you know how much of a pain sharpening pencils can be if you do not have a good, oh that's really cool, if you don't have a good pencil sharpener. What I really liked about this one was that it was pushed down, not pushed sideways. So I thought that was probably my favorite part. And it looks like you get to pick your point. So between dull and sharp. We'll have to test that out and see. So let's see, it looks like it has batteries, but I also see a charging cord. I like that there's the option to have both. Let's see, it says pull, oh, there it goes. Okay, so it looks like 4 AA batteries fit in there, and then this goes straight down, not sideways. So there we go. Okay, so we put it in there, and it looks like it's adjustable over here, which is super cool. And then you have your block and your USB cord. Let's see if it says anything cool on here. Ultra durable, sharpens wood, composite, and recycled pencils. Auto stop, I like that because the kids pushing and pushing and pushing until you have no pencil left. 4 AA batteries or the AC USB. Larger shaving bin, and this is a pretty big shaving bin, and it says safe for children. My kids are 3, 11, 12, and 16. They're 16, 14. Goodness. Okay, let's see. There we go. I pulled from the bottom. So there is what the inside sharpener looks like. And this dustbin, I like that it's not totally flat. It has like just a hole in there, because if this was totally empty, then it would definitely spill out when you are trying to get it off. So I could see that being an issue. But I like that this one, I feel like this is very intuitive with how they designed that, because it's not just going to spill. So there it is, and I am super impressed.